Hi, welcome to the show, Mary and Eden Live. Your host, Mary, and your host, Eden. We look different today because we got our salon. We went to the salon to get some hair done. I know my hair looks different. I got extensions. Yeah. And my eyes are different because I got contacts. I know. This is actually an April Fool's video. We actually didn't turn into dolls. Our mom is doing a video, so we can do this video. We're gonna show you some We're gonna show you what we're gonna do for pranks. We call it My name is Felicity. My name is Molly McIntyre, and my name is Felicity Mander. So it's called Felicity Mander, Molly McIntyre. April Fool's jokes. Here you go. Here's some footage. We send some of our crew out. Lainey's our crew. Eden is out sick, so we can't do her. That's our other sister. We'll be right back. We're just gonna get some footage ready. We'll show you 2 videos of what she did, and then some videos what we did to them too. Here you go. Just go to the videos. We're gonna step out of the way to show the videos. Yeah, I'm gonna go that way. First up was Lainey with Kanani. Yo, what's up, dog? I love your hair. Yeah, right. You say you hate it every single day. It's awful and mean and just jerkish. Well, guess what? Your bow's down there. Yo, my bow's not down there. Yes, it is. It's not down there. Hello? Well, of course it's not up down there. April Fools, that's our joke. I know. Our joke is so funny. Yeah. That was April Fools, yeah. She's so mean. She just puts bows down my hair. Okay, that was one of our videos. We're going to show you another video with me doing something to Kanani and me doing something to Elizabeth. I do not like Elizabeth very much. Don't tell her that. Oop. Light went out. Well, that was Felicity Mander. No, Felicity Mander. And Mander and Molly McIntyre. Bye-bye. That's our next. Watch our next video. I don't know what about it. It's 11.